If your iPhone's battery is draining faster after updating to iOS 18.5, here's how to fix it. First, check your battery uses, and for that, go to your Settings app, then tap on Battery, and here, see which apps are using the most power. Close or delete the ones you don't need. After that, turn on low power mode. Still on the battery menu, just toggle on the low power mode. Next, disable background app refresh, and for that, head back to the main settings menu, then tap on General. After that, search for background app refresh, and once you see it, tap on that and set it to off or Wi-Fi only. Next, turn off location for unused apps, and for that, go back to the main settings menu, then scroll down and tap on privacy and security. After that, go into location services and turn off location access for apps that don't need it. Next, enable dark mode to reduce screen power uses. And for that, head back to the main settings menu, then tap on display and brightness. Here, choose dark. Also, make sure your apps are updated, and if Apple releases a patch, update your iPhone. It may include battery fixes. And as a last resort, try restarting your iPhone. A quick restart can clear background bugs that drain power. Try these quick fixes and you should see better battery life on iOS 18.5. If it's still bad, wait for a few days. Your iPhone might still be adjusting after the update. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.